The speculation is about, can negotiations still happen? Well, for me, definitely it will. Number one, even in the last months of the Aquino administration, he said there has to be negotiations by China. Indeed, under the Duterte administration, upon assumption of office, President Duterte said yes, negotiations with China. Now, after the arbitration itself, the word coming out of Beijing was an offer to negotiate and go into what the statement of Beijing says, provisional measures, which is about joint development and joint cooperation. So there will be negotiations. Now, and especially, to me, would be no problem with Beijing, because that is what their offer was upon a release of the arbitral award. The problem, however, might be the Philippines. I say might, because number one, it is a clean sweep under the arbitral award in all the submissions of the Philippines. Number two, it was a unanimous award by 5 arbitrators. Now, beyond that, you know how divided the public opinion is now in the Philippines, especially against China, and therefore a suspicion of China if you go to negotiations. Besides, there will be a principle involved there. Why go into negotiations now, which would tend to involve a sacrifice of sovereignty when we have won in the arbitral court all the way? So that might, for me, that might tie the hands of President Duterte. It's an internal issue, questioning why he would go into negotiations when we had a clean sweep in the arbitral tribunal, and it was not only a clean sweep, it was a unanimous award by the 5 arbitrators.